Hi guys, welcome to Love Minute. I'm Ken and Mom.
Hi.
And we need the week for the math for your Bachi-Puchi. Let's go!
Okay. Ito yung math ni Ken. May mga hindi pa po nasagutan. So, papasagot natin sa kanya. Ito tayo sa activity na to.
Okay.
Ayan. So,
I don't know it.
you don't know that?
I don't know because how you say,
You need to read muna yan, ha?
draw a line from the number to its number word.
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 Okay. So, what number is that?
2.
Where's the 2? Labi mo dyan sa kabila.
Over there.
Okay. Okay. Next.
4.
What's the 4?
Over there.
Next.
Number 5. Because our apple.
Yeah.
Because our color is number red. Is that? It's red is color.
Okay na.
Red apple, red pizza.
What number is that? What number is this?
5.
What's the 5?
Over there.
Okay.
Up in grass.
Okay, next.
8.
What is that? What
Yellow.
What fruit is that?
Because our mango.
Mango.
Because our yellow.
Oh.
Because the yellow color.
Okay.
Yellow bus.
Yellow bus?
Yellow bus and yellow bee.
Okay. Oh, sige na. Back to this. What number is this?
8.
Where is it?
Over there.
Okay.
Over there.
Connect it. Okay. Ba yan? May ganyan-ganyan ka pa. Kung na straight line lang dapat. O, next.
1.
What is that?
1 balloon. Because our red. Because try again.
Try again. Okay, 1. Where's the 1?
Red pizza.
Oh.
Red hold.
Okay, go. Oh. What number is this?
1.
Where's the 1?
Over there.
Okay. Connect it. One line lang, Ken. One line lang, baby.
Thank you.
Okay, next.
6.
6.
Pag next naman.
Opo, mamaya. After nito. 6. What is this?
6.
6. What is this?
Star.
Star.
It's yellow. Yellow bus and yellow bees.
Okay, 6. Where's the 6 there? 6.
Where's the 6? Over there. Over there.
Next.
10.
No, not ito
3.
10. Okay, where's the 3?
Yung. Over there.
Okay. One line lang kasi para hindi ka mag-ulit.
Number
Okay,
10.
next. 10. What is that?
Big sour hole.
Huh? What is this?
I don't know.
You don't know that? It's a lips.
Lips.
Okay.
Lips. Because our lips is green.
It's a lip kasi isa lang siya. So,
Green bus and
oh,
green bus.
okay. What number is this?
10.
10. Where's the 10 there?
Hala.
Wala?
Sana.
Oh, where's the 10? Okay. Next.
Okay,
2
okay.
more. Last 2 na lang.
7.
7.
Ano what
yan?
is that?
What is that?
13.
Painting. Okay. Oh, what number is that?
7.
Okay. Where's the
Pink.
Pink?
Pink.
Okay. You want
Pink bus.
Oh, and then?
Pink pillow.
Okay. Where's the 7 there? Saan yung 7 dyan? Okay. Next.
Number 9.
What is that?
9.
Ano yan?
Egg. Biggest sourly yellow.
What color of egg? Anong kulay ng egg? Di ba white?
White. This time, white bus.
Bus na naman, and then,
White bus.
hindi ba ambulance?
White bus and white ambulance.
Okay.
That's right.
Thank you so much.
What's the 9?
Yung.
Dali. Saan yung 9 dyan?
9.
Opo.
Over there.
Okay.
What is that?
Okay. Good.
Next na. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Don't forget like, subscribe. Bye-bye.